Do you know what is painful? Having a good business but your flyer makes people ignore you. And the truth is that most flyers are really terrible, especially flyers from small business owners. You don't have money to afford a graphic designer, but you design flyers that will make people instantly scroll past you. Most small business owners, flyers are too noisy, too many colors, all the texts are competing with each other. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clean, aesthetically pleasing flyer with all the principles of design. Hello and welcome back to day 11 of our 30 days business series, and today we are going to be designing this flyer right here on Canva. I'm going to teach you how to make an aesthetically pleasing flyer that would help people notice you and make people want to buy from you. Do you know that sometimes why people scroll past you is because of your flyer? Your flyers are like so terrible. There was a time I wanted to order something from somebody, but the flyer I saw there was so terrible. It was not professional. People, everything, all the words were just competing with each other. I don't even know what to read first. I don't know what to read next. A bad flyer can actually make people ignore your business. Yes, so we are going to learn how to create a simple flyer on Canva for free in this video. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. On this channel I share business ideas, I help you grow your business and help you make money online through AI and content creation. If you like content like this, you can just hit on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, tell me I'm ready to learn how to design flyer in the comment section. So have you ever seen somebody posting a bad flyer? Let me know in the comment section. Those flyers that are too crowded, people don't even know what to read first. Like, it's too crowded, too many colors. Okay, I'll look for an example of a crowded flyer and I'll leave it here. Like, you won't even want to read that kind of flyer, and your flyer is supposed to communicate a message, it's supposed to pass an information. And when people don't read your flyer, how will they know what you're selling? How will they know what you're offering, right? So I'm going to tell you what a good flyer should look like. A clean, simple, good flyer, what it should look like. So your flyer needs to grab attention. The first thing you need is a strong headline, a headline that will make people want to stop to read it. And then you also need a good visual. Most people add blurry photos to their flyers, but you need a good visual for your flyer. You don't need to overload the design. You can keep it simple. When people prefer to read simple design than reading crowded design, so keep your flyers simple. And don't forget to always add a call to action on your flyers. Tell people how they can contact you on your flyer. So before we quickly get into designing the flyer, here are some mistakes to avoid when designing your flyer. You need to avoid too many colors. You need to use colors that will communicate your brand. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about branding, the basics of branding for your business, right? I'm going to teach you in tomorrow's video. You can use simple fonts, just few fonts. You can use like only 2 fonts. You can use simple colors that complement each other. 2 colors is also enough. Avoid using low quality images and don't overcrowd your flyers. Avoid using tiny text that nobody can read. So again, we are just going to head over to our Canva. We are going to open up our Canva, and you go to that template place and search for, I'm going to search for consulting poster or flyer because I'm into consulting business. But you can search for the kind of business you want, be it bags, shoe, whatever business you do, just search for it and you see different templates. So we are going through all the templates. I was just looking through all the templates, so I'm just going to go back and choose this particular one because it's simple for the sake of this tutorial. So we are just going to open it, and then I'm trying to change the picture in it to another picture of my choice. So I'm going to pick this particular picture. I'm going to use it there. I'm going to leave the business consulting the way it is, and then I'm going to just go ahead to change the color. I was going to change this down one, but then I go ahead to just edit it. I'm going to leave the down color the way it is because I like the way it combined, but it's not part of my colors. But so when I'm teaching branding, I'll also explain to you why your color matter in branding. So I'm just going to edit everything on the flyer. I'm going to put my own information. This is just a simple flyer. It's very simple. I'm supposed to use the logo I did yesterday, but okay, I'll show you how to remove background from logo and how to import it into your Canva. So after now, we're just going to head over to I'm going to go to my browser and I'm going to open the site, remove.bg. I'm going to export that yesterday's logo, but I didn't change the color. I was supposed to change the color so that it will fit in to this particular color I'm using on the flyer. So it's not going to fit in because I did not change the color. I'm just showing you for the purpose of the video how to remove background from your photos. So you can just go over here and upload it, then bring it over to Canva. But like I said, I did not remove the color. It's the same color, so it's not going to show. I'm supposed to edit it and change the color to white first. So I'll be doing that outside the camera, and I'm going to add it to my flyer. So that being said, this is all. I've edited everything. So I was just trying to see if I can upload another logo, but then the color didn't match. Only the consulting came out, so it didn't match. It's not going. I'm just going to go ahead to download it, to download the flyer, and I'm going to save the flyer on my phone. So that's how you can design a simple flyer by editing templates on Canva. So you don't need a professional designer, you just need to be consistent and clear with your flyer. So comment flyer if you actually learned something new today. And I have other graphic design tutorial. If you're interested in graphic design, you can go to my playlist. I have graphic design tutorials for you. So thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow when I'll be teaching you branding tips for your business.